Elevate your brand with our desktop designing publishing services. In today's visually driven world, making a lasting impression is paramount. At Multi-Biz Solutions, we are proud to offer top-tier desktop designing publishing services that empower your brand with striking visual identity and effective communication. With our expertise, your business can stand out, captivate your audience, and leave a lasting mark. Why choose our desktop designing publishing services? Creative excellence. Our team of skilled designers and publishers are passionate about their craft. They are equipped with the creativity and technical prowess needed to transform your ideas into stunning visuals and publications. Customization. We understand that no two businesses are the same. That's why we take a personalized approach to every project. Your vision, goals, and unique identity guide our design and publishing process. Comprehensive solutions. From concept to completion, we provide end-to-end solutions. Whether you need a captivating brochure, a visually appealing annual report, or a standout business card, we have you covered. Attention to detail. We pride ourselves on our meticulous attention to detail. Every element of our designs and publications is thoughtfully crafted to ensure coherence, aesthetics, and impact. Timeliness. We understand the value of time in the business world. Our commitment to deadlines ensures that your projects are delivered on time, every time. Our range of services. Graphic design. Our graphic design services encompass logo design, branding, marketing materials, and more. We create visuals that resonate with your audience and reflect your brand's essence. Publication design. Whether it's an annual report, magazine, catalog, or book, we design publications that are not only visually appealing but also convey your message effectively. Marketing collateral. We specialize in creating marketing collateral that leaves a lasting impression. From brochures and flyers to business cards and posters, we design materials that stand out. Digital publishing? In the digital age, we ensure your content is optimized for online viewing, including interactive PDFs, ebooks, and digital brochures. Print production. Our expertise in print production ensures that the final product meets the highest quality standards, from paper selection to finishing touches. Let your brand shine. Your brand's image and message are vital components of your business's success. With Multi-Biz Solutions desktop designing publishing services, you can take your brand to new heights, tell your story effectively, and leave a mark that resonates with your audience. Whether you're looking to refresh your visual identity or create captivating publications, we are your trusted partner in design and publishing. Contact us today, and let's embark on a journey of creative excellence together. Your success is our priority. Please remember to subscribe this channel to know more about our other services and discount deals announced frequently. Thanks for watching this video. Let's start your project now.